In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Notion software on a Windows computer. This process is straightforward, and with a little guidance, you'll have Notion up and running in no time. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to open your web browser of choice. Once open, navigate to the official Notion desktop app page. If you're having trouble locating it, simply type notion.com/desktop into the address bar and hit enter. This will take you directly to the page where you can download the Notion app for Windows. Now, once you're on the Notion desktop app page, look for the Download for Windows button. It's usually prominently displayed, inviting you to click it to start the download process. Go ahead and click that button. The download should begin immediately, and depending on your internet speed, this might take a few moments. After the download is complete, the next step is to locate the installer file in your Downloads folder. Open your File Explorer, typically found in the taskbar, and navigate to the Downloads section. You're looking for a file that starts with Notion in its name. Once you've found it, double-click on that file to start the installation. As the installation setup begins, you will be prompted with a series of on-screen instructions. These are usually straightforward, such as agreeing to the terms and conditions and choosing the installation location. Follow these instructions carefully, clicking Next or Install as required, until the setup is complete. With the installation finished, the next step is to open the Notion app and sign into your account. If you already have an account, use your usual credentials. If not, the app gives you the option to create a new account. Having an account allows you to sync your notes and projects across different devices, which is incredibly handy. Alternatively, if you prefer installing apps through the Microsoft Store, you can do so as well. Open the Microsoft Store on your Windows computer. In the search bar at the top right corner, type in Notion. Browse through the results and click on the official Notion app. Once you've located the app, look for the Get or Install button. It will usually be on the right-hand side of the app's page. Clicking this will download and install Notion directly through the Microsoft Store. It's a great alternative method if you frequently use the store for your app installations. And that's all there is to it. You now have Notion installed on your Windows computer, ready to help you organize, plan, and collaborate effectively. Thanks for following along, and enjoy exploring what Notion can offer. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Happy organizing!